It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding and power extendable mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, and the child lock button. This is the premium Bose sound system. We've also got the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali badging in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got the heads-up display button, trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some interior and exterior lighting buttons and dials. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we've got the audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash using those arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a touch screen that displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. To the far left is our engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, the exhaust brake, lane departure alert, park assist, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, power running board button, the trailer brake, and some USB and power plug-ins. This is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, chrome tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch high gloss black aluminum wheels, a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. They're power extending and power folding. Rear tinted windows, retractable running boards. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. On the passenger door, power windows, the wood grain trim, and we've also got a storage pocket down below. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. This middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've also got behind the seat storage located behind either of the rear seats, as well as under seat storage by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.